So recently Randeep Surjewala ji visited to Bangalore and he had a meeting with all the leaders, including the legislators and the ministers. He's clearly given the warning. Whatever the difference of opinion is there, that should be within the four wall you can discuss. But very unfortunately, still some of the ministers, they are giving some of the statements against the PCC presidentship and also the CM post. So I am requesting them, don't give the public this type of the statement. Whatever you have the appeal or whatever you have your request, that should be discussed within the four wall. And also, see, the Congress General Secretary is very clearly told, Congress party is just like a mother and government is like a kid. And same way, when if anyone they are across their border, even they are ready to sacrifice the governments. So that is why once again I am requesting all our leaders, whatever your demands are there, whatever of different opinion is there, you please come and discuss with the leaders. Don't give any public statement. If you give any public statement, once again we are requesting High Command kindly takes very strict action against this type of the leaders.